What's going on YouTube? Back another video. This is gonna be for GTA San Andreas on Android, and this is another Jetpack mod. I told you about that HQ Jetpack mod. I think I might say HD, but still, it's the HQ Jetpack mod for the original Jetpack. So it's just like the same kind of, but just like HQ. See, HQ Jetpack with original HD icon for GTA San Andreas. And guys, it does look good too in the game. See, it looks nice. Okay, here's the author. See, Zera, Doom, or DooMG. So thank you. It says model to replace Jetpack. Okay. This is a comment, guys, I left on it. You know, I like it. See, I say guys straight to the point. You know, it's a cool mod. I like it. And guys, like I said this is an older one. See, I said it's from 2021. Like I said before, I can't log on to GameOn.com. At the moment, don't know why. Oh, it says moderators. It says IK. Okay, 1997. Okay, KL. So thank you to everybody, to this person here. At the top, the marker. See underscore SMW86. Thank you to all of you who took part in this. So I'm gonna go to the archive right now. This is the file right here, guys. Once you extract it, just right here, just the information on it. See, now guys, it's showing using IMG Tool 2.0 or the crazy IMG editor program, guys. This is for PC. You know, like I said before, it's a PC mod, which is why the instructions here that you see here is mentioned, you know, what it's mentioning, like the IMG Tool 2.0, that's for PC. So I said it's a PC mod. But since we're on Android, and since, you know, we have IMG Tool and TXD Tool on Android, we still can use the mod. Okay, here's what you gotta import. So you got two files, real simple. So go to where is it at? IMG Tool. Go to your San Andreas, right? Files, TXDB, GTA 3 IMG, search up Jetpack. See, there it is right there. You'll hold on to it, place, and you just go back to your mod. Oops. And you hit select, and then that's it. After that, we go to TXD tool. Let's see here. Right. Open the cache. I'm gonna do recent folder because I tried it already. After that, open TXD. It's right here. Once you open it, like I told you before, guys, what you gotta do is just extract it by hitting the icon at the top right, the down arrow. It says export all textures, and guys, once it says export all textures is going to ask you, like, where do you want to export them to, like where on your device. It's up to you where you want to export them at. You know what I'm saying? It's up to you. After you did that, hit that plus from images, go with alpha, and then go with alpha, because like I said, depending on the file, depending on what you gotta go to. So go with alpha, right? And all you gotta do is just hit the icon. I did overwrite, use fast overwrite, and then I did the 4096. I always do that one. And then you hit OK. After that, you'll hit it again. Go to from images, and this time go to without alpha. And then hit them 3 lines at the top. Select all. Then hit select. Overwrite, use fast overwrite, and now, like I said, I go to 4096. You don't have to, because I just do that. After you hit OK and give it time to, you know, add in the textures. Okay, guys, that's it. That's it. One thing I will mention is that when you hit the plus symbol, right? You see, guys, where it says from TXT archives. What that's saying is, instead of me exporting them like I do, you can just click on the TXT file, right, and it will automatically add the whole thing in automatically without you exporting them, right. The only reason why I don't do that is for some reason before in the past, every time I would do that, the textures wouldn't come in right, and it's like they would mess up. So I don't know if that's like for every mod or not, but ever since that happened, I'll just export them. Okay. Now you can still use the TXT archives, but I just rather export them because it always worked best for me. So, anyways, like I said, now we can just get to the game. Now, guys, the way it looks around everywhere, like the atmosphere, because I'm using like some PS2 mods. Basically, like, you know, I said with with GTA AML, San Andreas AML. Okay, that was random. Okay. But like I said, I'm using the GTA San Andreas AML, so you know you have to config the mods folder. So I'm using some of the PS2 files in the mods folder. Okay, anyways, let's get to that jetpack. Okay, let me get my. Oh, there we go. Let me get my close up. Let's see. See, guys, here it is right here. See, sometimes, guys, you gotta give it a second, you know, because sometimes it be loading in the textures and stuff like that. So you kind of just gotta give it a second to kind of load in everything. You see how it looks, guys? It looks nice. See that? Stand back a little bit. Hold on. See, it's a nice. What is going on over there? See, guys, it looks good though. Now, guys, too, as I said before, I know I said about that on my old channel, but when you're using certain mods, right? If you're using certain graphic mods, then we're using different skins like a jetpack or, you know, for player skins and things like that, then it'll make that skin look even more realistic. Yeah. Oh, and guys, you see how my trying to see if I do it different. No, okay, I'll add in this video. Let's talk about it, guys. This is another thing. You thought the FPS, guys, is hitting the 120. Well, it's not hitting 119, 117, right? And you're probably like, well, how's it getting the way up there? Okay, well, I'll show you something here. And see over here, guys. Now, when you're using GTA San Andreas AML, right? When when you're using, you know, that version, anyways, the FPS limit, right? How you can change it from 120 to, you know, it could be from 60 to 120, 30, etc., right? But sometimes if you have a device that's 120 hertz, like a Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra phone, and you set it here, guys, at 120, and even when I tried to do that, guys, it still didn't work. But what I noticed was, if you have the Red Magic 8 Pro, right, and you see right here, guys, where it shows the 120 right here hertz, when you click on that, right, I know when you clicked on that, and if you click on info, guys, it shows the FPS, right? It shows it, right? The 120 hertz just lets it run at it, but the info actually shows it on the screen. But I noticed that when you set it to 120 regularly, like on another type of device, like the Samsung phone, it won't run at 120 FPS or something like that. It'll stay at 60. But if you have a Red Magic phone and you go into your game mode, your game options, right, and then you go and click on the 120. Then when you click on the info, you will see that it's actually running at that high FPS. You know what I'm saying? I don't know why, guys. It's working on this phone. It didn't work at all on the Galaxy phone. And there was another guy who made a video, which I will link in the description box, and he made a video on how to get. He was using the same thing, the AML version of GTA, but he was showing you how to get that 120 FPS. But I said for me, it wasn't. I tried his method and it didn't work. But still, I'm gonna still leave in the description box because it might work for somebody else. But guys, if you're in the Red Magic 8 Pro, that's all you gotta do. Once you save it into your game, until you save your San Andreas into the game of space of Red Magic, all you gotta do is just go into your game options for San Andreas. For the Red Magic game options, click on the 120 FPS. And then after that, click on the info so it shows up on the screen, and you will see it run at 120, and that's where you go and get that high FPS. All right. Thank you guys for watching. I know the video was a little long, but thank you guys for watching. And then another thing, see it says clear red arrow? Yeah, I had to turn that off, guys. That'd be annoying. I had to turn that off. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Y'all have a blessed night. I care about all of you, my subscribers. So thank God for watching and subscribing to my channel. All those who didn't subscribe but who watched the video, thank you for stopping by. I appreciate it. You know what I'm saying? Because y'all all are important. And anyways, have a blessed night. Deuces.